Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload documents on Wise in 2026, step by step. Don't worry if you have zero knowledge about Wise, and even if you don't have a bank account linked, you can still upload your documents for verification. This video is perfect for beginners, so make sure you watch till the end. First, let me quickly explain what Wise is. Wise is an international money transfer platform that allows you to send, receive, and hold money in different currencies. Before you can fully use Wise, they ask you to verify your identity by uploading some documents. That's exactly what we're doing today. Now, let's get started. Open your browser or Wise app and go to wise.com. Click on Sign Up if you're new or Log in if you already have an account. You can sign up using your email ID, Google account, or Apple ID. After entering your details, Wise will create your account. At this stage, no bank account is required. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Wise dashboard. Here, look for a message like Verify your identity or Upload documents. You can also go to Profile, then Account Settings, and tap on Verification. Now, Wise will ask you to upload your identity document. You can use any government-issued ID, such as passport, national ID, or driving license. Choose the document type, then upload a clear photo. Make sure all details are readable, no blur, no cropped edges. After that, Wise may ask you to take a selfie or live photo to match your ID. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Sometimes, Wise may also ask for address proof, like utility bill, bank statement, or government letter. This step is not always required and depends on your country. Once everything is uploaded, click Submit. That's it. Wise usually reviews your documents within a few hours to 2 working days. You'll get an email once your verification is approved. And that's how you upload documents on Wise in 2026. Even without linking a bank account. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.